never knew I'd feel so safe in your arms. Now you're all I need. It wasn't long before I knew that I fell for you and you had my heart. As fast as the seasons change, my heart was stolen. Parts of me that were broken found love. And no amount of distance can change how I'm feeling, 'cause I know this is real. I'm so happy that you're nothing in this world can make me feel the way that you do. Feels like I'm dancing on moonlight. Of all the stars at night, none of them can shine as bright as you do. They can't compare to your light. Thousands of miles between, still couldn't stop us. Just the thought of your love was enough. It's hard to imagine life without you in it. Even if at a distance, I'm still happier. Baby, won't you listen when you feel you're missing me? Let this be a little lullaby, help you fall asleep at night. When I see you smile, I'm unafraid to grow up, 'cause with you the future seems so bright. Won't you stay here by my side? It's kinda crazy, the kinds of things life throws at you. I never knew I'd feel so safe in your arms. Now you're all I need. It wasn't long before I knew that I fell for you and you had my heart. As fast as the seasons changed, my heart was stolen. Parts of me that were broken found love. And no amount of distance can change how I'm feeling, 'cause I know this is real. I'm so happy that you're mine.
What do you think?
Girl! You go straight to my heart.
Not even using the knife and fork.
Nope. No way. It's a finger job. Everything's just all compact. Absolutely beautiful.
Perfect. Hi all. Long time no chat. Other than in a renovation video anyway. Is that noisy? Let me close the window. So, as you saw a little snippet of, we stripped the carpet on the stairs. Let me show you actually. Also, this cabinet was there. These two were in the dining room. We're doing bit by bit at the moment because not everything can be done at once, even though I wish it could be. The kitchen was done in under 2 weeks, which was amazing, but not everything can be done like that. So I think I'm just going to add snippets of what we're doing into vlogs. I want to get back into the vlogs again because I like being up to date rather than being so far behind than editing the video so long after. So obviously I made some lovely brioche French toast this morning, which you guys would have seen, which was delicious. And I'm working on this room. It's also going to be white. We're going to get new dining table and chairs, but I have been giving it a good clear out. If I show you plans, I have a short bitty bookcase, a black bitty bookcase planned for there in that corner, which the TV will go on. We have to have a TV in this room because my mum likes to watch TV while she eats her dinner. And then I have an olive tree going here. We're going to match these curtains to the ones that are in the living room. And actually this bookcase, which you can see out there, used to sit here. So I'm trying to be really resourceful and sort of use the things that we have in the house and like upcycle them. What I've just shown you under the stairs is like a small like butcher's block table, which we're going to keep there for now. It fits under the stairs really nicely, and then there's a little bookcase next to it. We're going to keep that for like storage, umbrellas, bag for life sort of things, and then keep the shelves like really nice and tidy. But that used to be in this corner here as well. You can't see it, but where I just showed you on that side, closer to the conservatory. So that's plans for that. It's going to be all white. We do have the lampshade that's come from Maid also, which will be switched up by that, but I also need like the actual light fixture as well, because this is like a whole light feature in itself. So if I want that gone, I need the actual light fixture, which I'm just going to get off Amazon, which is black. But not everything can be done all at once. So I'm going to cook some dinner. We had some things come. I got these on Amazon and I'm really excited to try them. They're the fine noodles, but carbonara. So I'm going to have those, but I'm going to cook up some pork and aubergine first to go with it. I'm not super hungry right now, so I think I'm just going to leave it. But this kitchen, thanks to my cooking this morning, is a bit of a mess. So I think we need to sort this first. This all needs to get cleared away. This is clean. These dirties need to get cleaned away.
Nothing in this world can make me feel the way that you do. Feels like I'm dancing on moonlight. Of all the stars that shine, none of them can shine as bright as you do. They can't compare to your light. Thousands of miles between, still couldn't stop us. Just the thought of your love was enough. It's hard to imagine life without you in it. Even if at a distance, I'm still happier. Baby, won't you listen when you feel you're missing me? Let this be a little lullaby. Help you fall asleep at night. When I see you smile, I'm unafraid to go. 'Cause with you, the future seems so bright. Won't you say it by my side?
Bye.